said you've been running it. Give us your impressions.
Well, we're very happy with the machine. It has performed every bit as well as you said it would. It makes parts that are 40, 50 years old, if they're aluminum, it makes them look brand new. In fact, you can't really tell the difference. After you've treated them, they look absolutely brand new. And everybody's impressed with the quality and the look of our engines and things that we use the machine on. And it's very low maintenance, doesn't require a lot of effort, it's easy to use. And I just, if anybody's contemplating something like that, it's, you get what you pay for. And it's a wonderful, well put together piece of equipment.
Have you been able to take advantage of the ability to run higher concentrations in the machine?
Yeah, yes, we have, and some things require, or we want a really super fine finish on them, and with low pressure, and you get almost you get a polish effect if you use the machine in that regard.
Good.
So it does a good job. Great job.
You never had any problems with the pumping system?
Nope, and it's easy to clean, and the water evaporates. That's about the biggest thing you have to deal with.
Well, we can't solve that for you.
Can't solve that.
Okay.
But that's about the biggest thing we have to deal with, is just make sure we have sufficient water in there.
Wonderful. So typically you're doing like a transmission components.
We do transmissions, we do valve covers, we do brake drums on the old 356s. They look great. We do front covers on the 356 engines. Anything that's aluminum that you can put in there and not have a problem with it. There's some things have really small hydraulic passages in them, so you got to be careful with that kind of thing because you can spend a lot of time cleaning it. But anything that where someone wants it to look virtually brand new, if they're going to do an engine and you want to put it in a museum or something, that's the machine.
Wonderful. All right. Anything else? Any other impressions?
It's big. You can put you can put something very sizable in there, or you can put something very tiny in there, obviously. So the range of parts that you can put in the machine, it's this size, it's pretty comprehensive. So we're happy about that. And, really, I can't think of any negatives to the machine. Just aren't it?
It's great. Now you have the ability with our nozzle to either set it up the way you want for doing smaller parts with two hands, or you can take it off and operate it with one hand to do larger parts, right?
Yep.
That's kind of a convenience.
Yeah, it's very convenient. And the utility machine, as I said, is really comprehensive. You can do just about anything that you want. Getting pressure variation and whatnot. So we do put clean parts in it just because we like to keep things as nice as we can, so we don't want to get the machine bogged down with dirt. But other than that, there's no real restriction. I mean, for us, we prefer to put very clean things in.
And you do use, so we have a patent pending status on this, so you do use our media concentration monitor, and that works fine, and gives a good indication.
Yep, lets you know exactly how much media you have in there, and when you get to the low side, you just add a little bit, and when it comes up between the lines, the machine's going to work differently.
And then you also have the ability with the hydrocyclone built in to remove media.
Yep.
Which you can use later on.
Put a bucket in there, you can take it right out, and also it's got a heater on it. So if it's cold outside, you can turn the heater on and heats the water up, and just does a great job.
You also have on the system a HEPA exhaust, which allows you to put this machine pretty much anywhere, right?
Yeah, that's great. We changed the filter. I think we've only changed the filter twice, so the filter's good for a long time, and it's easy to change.
And you're able to duct right to plant atmosphere.
Yep. Against the atmosphere.
Wonderful. Well, okay. I appreciate the time that you spent. Thank you very much. And that's it.